Hello friend, welcome to my channel Crypto Knowledge. So if you are guys new in my channel, I request you for subscribe my channel so that whenever I will upload new videos related cryptocurrency, you will get the notifications if you just press the bell icon. So please do subscription on my channel and keep supporting me. Okay, I always try to upload cryptocurrency related videos for them, those who are new in cryptocurrency and those who don't have any idea about cryptocurrency. My videos are actually for those who are beginner in cryptocurrency, and I hope and I believe that my video will be a little bit maybe helpful or beneficial for that people, those who are interested in cryptocurrency and those who don't have any idea about cryptocurrency. Okay then, so our today's video topic is Ethereum. Okay, so we are going to talk about Ethereum. We are going to actually analyze the Ethereum. So as I told you before, for analysis a cryptocurrency we use a website which called CoinMarketCap. So I'm simply going to this website, as you can see, CoinMarketCap. Okay, so we are going to analyze Ethereum, the very second cryptocurrency in the market right now, which value is, as you can see, the price of each Ethereum is $4,086 for now. Okay, so we are going to actually analyze this cryptocurrency. In our previous video we talked about Bitcoin. If you didn't see the video, then I will put the link of that video in my description, also in I button. So if you're interested, you can check the video there. Thank you so much. So today we are going to talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum is the one of the very popular cryptocurrency nowadays, and by trading with Ethereum, people are earning lots of money actually. If you have the proper knowledge about Ethereum, if you have the proper justification about Ethereum, you can earn a very good figure of money by trading Ethereum. So here is the chart of Ethereum, as you can see for today. So the price of Ethereum today is, as we can see, it's $4,093. But it's $4,093. It was around like half in 9:36 p.m. and if we check the price around half an hour ago, then you can see the price was 4,032, which means it decreased around $60 within 30 minutes. Okay, so actually the price is increased within 30 minutes around $60. So that was the price list of today, the price of Ethereum today. So if we check if you want to know the price of last 7 days, so we just simply have to select the 7 day. Okay, and then we can see the price of last 7 days of Ethereum. So here we can see the price was actually it was up to $4,366. Okay, it was in 2021, so it was around $4,036. And before that, actually before 7 days from today, the price was $3,910. The $3,910, it was the price of around 7 days ago, and right now the price is, here you can see, 4,082. So if we go a little bit further, like 1 month price list for analysis. So here you can see the price before 1 month, it was only $3,148. Okay, and the price is increased almost, within a month the price is increased almost $1,000. Not actually, it's almost $900. Almost $900. The price increased within a month. So if we check the 3-month analysis, so we can see that before 3 months the price was actually $2,000, $2,151. That was the price before 3 months, and within 3 months the price increased, and right now it's $4,000, almost double. Within 3 months the price become almost double. Okay, so if we check for a year, 1 year analysis, so we can see before 1 year the price was only $400. Before 1 year the price was only $400, and after a year the price is right now $4,067. This is almost 10x, which means if you was invested in Ethereum 1 year ago, your money become 10x. If you invested $1 before 1 year ago, then your money is right now $10. If your investment was like $100 1 year ago, which means your money is right now $1,000. This is the profit, 10x profit. And if we check for all time price list, which means what was the actual price when Ethereum was published, as you can see the price was only $1.82. In 2015 the price was only $1.82, and right now it is excuse me, right now it is $4,000, which means 4,000x almost. This is insane. So this is the game of actually cryptocurrency. This is the power of cryptocurrency. So if we check the market cap, you can see at very beginning the market cap was $94 million, and right now the market cap is $482 billion. $482 billion. Can you imagine? This is really insane. So I hope guys you understand that how quickly actually the price is increasing for Ethereum, and this is actually a little analysis about Ethereum, the price of Ethereum, how much it increased within last couple of months, last couple of years, so that you will get a basic idea that how much actually there could be increase. Okay, so if we go to market, then here is all of our cryptocurrency, as you can see, and the overview, actually you will find all the necessary information, all the necessary analysis in overview. So this is actually all for today guys, and I hope that you will like the video. I actually just try to show you some analysis of Ethereum, so you will understand a little bit about this cryptocurrency. And thank you so much guys for watching the video, and if you like my video if you think this video is a little bit beneficial for you, then please consider me a like on my video, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I will upload my new videos you will get notification instantly. And please keep support me guys. I'm a new YouTuber and I always try to upload cryptocurrency related videos for you guys. So thank you so much. That is actually all for today, and okay, I will catch you in my next video. So till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.